Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you on how to create an FB ads or Facebook ads. So for you to be able to create an ad, you need to have a Facebook business account. So for you to do that, yes, you will have to go to business.facebook.com. So just type in the search bar and then you have to create your account. So because I have my account already, then there's no need for me to create. So once you're logged in to your account already, then you will head into your ads manager. So you can create the ads from ads manager. So you click on ads manager. And then from here, we can now proceed with creating our ad. So we just click on create. So from here, there will be three levels. We have the campaign, the ad sets, and the ads. So now we'll start with the campaign. So in here, you will choose the campaign objective. So we have here awareness, consideration, and conversion. So it's up to you what the objective of your campaign is. And if you click on here, you will see there's like a guide for you. There's a description if that's what you are if that's the thing that you are trying to achieve. Like for example, brand awareness. Show your ads to people who are most likely to remember them. If you want reach, then it's showing your ads to the maximum number of people. If you want traffic, then your ads or your ad will be sent to people, or your ad will make people to visit the website, the app, Facebook event, and etc. Engagement, get more page likes, event responses, post reacts, comments, or shares. App installs, video views, of course, this will be for video ads. Lead generation, use forms, calls, or chats to gather info from people interested in your business. Messages, yes, showing people ads that allow them to engage with you on Messenger, WhatsApp, and Instagram. For conversions, show your ads to people who are most likely to take action, buy something, or call you from the website. Catalog sales, store traffic, and etc. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to choose on brand awareness. So click on brand awareness and then continue. Campaign name. Alright, so you can put your campaign name here. Say for example, I'll say awesome products at bargain prices. So declare if your ads are related to credit, employment, or housing, or about social issues, elections, or politics. And we don't have to declare because it doesn't belong to any of this one. So we just proceed. So auction is the buying type, campaign objective is brand awareness. For this one, A/B test, you can create a split test. With a split test, you can like select different images, add text, audiences, and others for you to be able to see as to which one performs best or performs better. So this is recommended to do a split test. So let's turn that on. So this campaign will be the version A in your A/B test. After you publish this campaign, you'll be prompted to edit a duplicate version to test against it. So with the edit version, you can then modify some of the parts of the campaign or the ads or the ad set. So next, yes, we are going to campaign budget optimization. This is recommended that you turn this on because basically it's allowing Facebook to optimize the budget that you set for your ads. So let's say the daily budget that we have is 500 pesos. And okay, so let's click on next. Dynamic creative. Provide creative elements such as images and highlight will automatically generate combinations optimized for your audience. Let's leave that off for now. Optimization for ad delivery. Okay. Right, so let's set the budget and the schedule. So let's say we want it to start on May the 6th at, alright, let's just, okay, 9:53 a.m. Let's just, and then set an end date. Let's say we'll run it for a week, and let's have it ended at 13. And audience, we can now customize our audience. If you have a custom audience already, then you can use that one, or you can do a lookalike audience if you have. But this one, we're gonna create a custom audience, or let's just create our audience. So the demographics, it will be the Philippines, and the age, let's say we want working people. So let's say 20, let's say 20 to 65, all languages. So all right, people living or in or recently in this location, we want basically we just want people living in this location. Philippines, 20 to 65. Genders will be all genders. Well, let's I'm gonna try to edit it because the page that I'm making the ad for is basically like home improvement stuff, home decors and all those, and I think the gender that most likely are interested in those stuff are females. So let's just do women, and then right. You can actually alright, so include people who are in at least one of the following. Let's just forgo that now. Right, save this audience. Women 20 to 65. Save. So with this one, we're gonna do automatic placement. So basically, Facebook will, or you will allow Facebook to optimize your budget or maximize your budget. So rather than having to figure it out yourself. So it looks okay now. Let me just have a look. Mm-hmm. Show more options. All right, let's click on next. I'm trying to find something, but I couldn't find it. Right, let's click on next. All right, so now is we are going to select the page that we want the ad to be shown or to be made. So for this one, I'll go with this. Oh, I changed my mind. I'm now going to release this ad on this certain page. It's cosmetics page, so I'll go with this one instead of the one that I mentioned earlier. And so now we can create the ad. Alright, so now we have an option whether we want to publish a text ad, an image ad, or a video ad. So but if you have an existing post already, of course you can make use of that. So let's say we're gonna create a single image or a video. Add creative, edit. We can change the media. We can choose from one of our images here, or we can upload an image. So let's just say I'm gonna want to use this one. Okay, of course this is just sample. And then the text, I'm just gonna use what the about section is being written there. So cosmetics is probably local, but quality competes with international brand for just a fraction of the price. Some of the products are internationally made or manufactured, quality guaranteed for a very reasonable and affordable price. Beauty doesn't need not to be expensive. Need not to be expensive. Right, so this is now the preview of our ad. This one here. If it's a desktop, this is how it looks like, and if it's a mobile, then this is how it looks like. Okay, so that's for the image. And for example, we want to change it to a video ad, then we just edit and then change media. Of course, you will upload your video if you have video. Alright, so that was the, and now if you want to create a video ad, then we're just gonna change our media. So let's click on add media and then add video. So you can either upload a video or you can use the one that's being uploaded already on your page. So we just go for this one. And then next. Alright, so let's gonna find another one since the aspect ratio of the video is not much. Right, so let's find a portrait portrait one. This one, I'll have this one. Let's see. Anyway, I'm just gonna leave it as it is, but it's important that when you upload a video, it has to be, the ratio or aspect ratio has to be one that's good for Facebook, which is portrait mode. That's what you do. Right, so if you notice right here, add and deliverable to Facebook stories. So that's because stories is and reels, it needs to be 9/16 or 16:9, the aspect ratio, or it has to be portrait, right? So that's why it's giving us a warning here. But I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this one up. So yeah, that's how it is. But if you want really to be perfect, then okay, let's just use the one that's really suitable. So this one, okay, we use this one. Okay, so if you notice here, you don't get the warning anymore. So that's the right how do you call this, that's the right aspect ratio. So let's do the ad preview. So let's see, ad preview. So that's how they're gonna look like now. So over here you can see that we got 6 placements. So we got newsfeed, Instagram videos, marketplace, video feeds, Instagram feed, and Instagram Explorer. So alright, so of course with the text you can edit the text, and if you have a website you can add a website URL. You can add some description right here, If there is any link, you can put the link and call to action. You can choose which one, either contact us or learn more. And then after that, if you're happy with the choices that you've made or the settings that you've done, then you can just publish it. Okay, of course, for the text, it's so easy. So, of course, you just remove the media, delete all the media, and basically just do the primary text, the headline, and the description of the ads, or what you want to put in your ad, the copy. So you just type in the copy. So yeah, basically that's how you create an ad for Facebook ads. So that's it. I hope you learned from this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching.